Okay girls, now I'm ready. My makeup is done, my hair is done, I got my nails done, and
yeah, Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Skybreeze, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers. And the bitch deserve it, put in work for the money she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service, never gotta block these hoes, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybreeze, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch, look like Skybreeze, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that Molly, yeah.
Okay girls, now I'm ready. My makeup is done, my hair is done, I got my nails done, and it took a little bit longer time because I've done it for myself. But anyways, I will add a little bit of last touch. This will do. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.